Hi, I'm Shirley with Wigs Warehouse, and now what I want to show you is how to steam a wig. And steaming is used for a number of things. It's used for cold set, which I will show you shortly. This is actually a wig where the bangs got a little bit fuzzy, so you can just use your steam iron, and this is the one I happen to like. And I will run my brush as I'm steaming. And usually what this is going to do is pull most of that fuzz out. A lot of the times I will also use my iron with it too, because I think it gives you even a better, it actually takes out the fuzz even better than just the steaming. Steaming is used a lot too for, there's one company that has lovely wigs, but the minute you cut the bangs, they stick straight out. So you'll have, a lot of times you'll have to take and steam them and just, use your finger to make them go straight, just like that, so that they're going to have that bend. And you can see it's not obviously burning my hand, so the steam isn't as lethal as you think it's going to be, really. But it will help pull a lot of this frizz out. And you can certainly finish it off with just, like I said, just with my curling iron. I don't personally like the round brushes. A lot of people will use a round brush and they can get that curl with just the round brush. I tend to always get caught with it, so I just use just the plain wig brush that I like. Now I want to show you how to get rid of a cold set. If you can see this looks like it's got quite a wrinkle in it, or a line. And that's what's classed as a cold set, and they can form many different ways. So if you took your steam and you steam onto that and you just keep brushing through it, and that cold set should leave. And this is a Rowenta. I like this particular type of a steamer because it actually will stand up on its own. I had another one I really liked, and it worked well, but my husband actually had to make some sort of apparatus where I could let it sit, because it didn't have a way to sit. It would just lay down. But you can see how that gets rid of that, what they class as a cold set. You can also use your steam for, directing. Say if you wanted to direct the sides here. I like to use my hands a lot because I think I get more done with my hands and the steamer. And like I said, obviously it's not burning my hand. And I have a little more control. The steamer's used for, if you want this really straighter, you can actually do that with just your steamer. See how that's laying now? Nice. And a steamer won't burn your wig. A lot of people are afraid of them, but you really shouldn't be. And you can always practice on an old one to see how you can get it to work. So thank you for watching. I hope you learned something. This is available through our website also. So thank you again.